go. The work is going to be done. I showed you everything, what I was going to do. This is all the setup. This will be along the sides. It's going to be the strip that's going to attach both panels. And this is going to go along too and be extended down to the next set of panels. So this is going to go around the whole thing. Hopefully I have enough. I think I do. It's going to go around the whole bit, all along the top, around the sides, and you're going to have this set that's going to be sewn on the bottom of this, and then this will wrap it up, and then somewhere in there will be the hexies. I will include the hexies. I'm not leaving the hexies out. I just got to put this stuff together so I know where the hexies are going to go or how much I'm going to need. And there's plenty of this red. Plenty of this. I still have more of this. I just cut out for where I was going to attach it to. And I have extra here in case I need it. It's going to be a nice quilt. I can't wait. I can't wait to get it done. I really can't wait. It's going to be nice. This is going to be so nice. Look at all that details on it. There's so much detail. And then even the ads, you know, can quilt in there too. Do something in there. But all this is really, look at all that detail. It's so nice. And the sky. These are old panels. I think I got these panels in about 2003, 2002. Never got to use them. This was meant, I had more and I think I lost them along the way. So I got to use what I found, and that's it. And this was meant to make a nice bed quilt for my father. And I never got around to it. I had to work, raise kids. And I never got to doing it. I had other projects. I was doing a lot of clothing for my kids. And costumes. And between that and work, I didn't find the time. And then he passed away in 2011. And that was the end of that. And I put it away for a long time. And I don't know, I just got the urge to dig it out. Because I love doing hexies, and I just came up with this idea that to join the panels and other things along with the hexies would be a wow look. It's going to be different. I like the idea of it. And I can't wait. I can't wait till it's done. And my grandson already claimed it. By the way, folks, excuse me the way I look, because I wasn't on camera for a while. So it looks like I didn't even brush my hair, but oh well. That's the conditions with quilting. Your house don't get clean and your hair don't get brushed. No makeup. You're lucky if you get dressed. Which basically most of the time I have pajama bottoms on. Hey, you do your quilting comfortably in your PJs. what better than that is that than anything else? I like to be comfortable. I think I think better when I'm comfortable. So that's gonna be okay. This is the finished one of the strips. I think it came out very nice. Very nice. All that paper and everything and all that stitching that has to be removed. But it came out really, really nice. So, let's move on. Let's move on. This is some of the setup of what I'm going to be using to put these panels together. I have everything pinned to it in the order that it's going to be put on. Like that right there. This here will be put at the top. And then I have it on the bottom here. That's going to go along the bottom. And of course this is going to be the strips in between each panel. This here is going to go on this side along the side. This is going to go along that side. And then this here is going to go around all around this area. This is going to be extended all the way down, I think, along with this to attach to this set. That's going to be towards the bottom. This is going to be on the opposite side. It's going to be reversed. That's going to be it for now. So I'm going to say see you later. And as I get this process done, I'll make another video. So bye for now. Be blessed. Hi everyone. Happy Sunday. It's Sunday and it's like 3:03 p.m. And I just wanted to let you know, okay, you just watched a clip. That's one of my older ones, one of my very first videos since I opened up YouTube. And I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know that the latest videos that I've been putting out, mainly they're older, like 2 years old videos from when I first opened up YouTube. And I'm just trying to make them a little bit more exciting and hopefully catch some subscribers. The analytics, they say when some of your younger videos, if they weren't doing well, it affects it. So either delete or renew or something. But I want to say how you doing. I hope your Sunday's great. And really hope you guys are enjoying this because, you know, I don't want to waste my time. You know, just let me know if it ain't your cup of tea. Just let me know because this is a lot of time consuming stuff, especially with editing. Nobody realizes that unless they make videos. They know what it takes to edit a video. Not only that, to make one. But I love you guys, and I want to thank all those that recent recently subscribed to my channel. Man, I praise you guys. Thank you so much. I'm hoping to get more. I want to get to 1,000 subscribers this year, and the year is getting closer than that. We're already in July, so I doubt if I won't make it this year. But hey, I could if people just got on there that are watching the videos. Just push that red button, subscribe. I'll be doing well because there's thousands of you out there watching. Just not all of you subscribed. But love you all. Stay blessed. Stay healthy. Stay happy. Don't let nobody take your joy away. And keep your eye on him. This world's getting crazier. Bye for now.